We're excited.
Right.
Hi, welcome. I am here with my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hello, everybody.
And we're really excited because we finally got them a brand new Apple computer. The last Apple computer they've had was a 2009 iMac 2009. So almost 10, 11, 12-ish years. And Apple finally came out with their redesigned iMac. We have the iMac here, so we're going to unbox it, go through it, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Is it going to be fun?
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so we have our trusty knife here. Kids, ask your parents or have your parents handle this for you. Don't use a knife at home. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Here, you do the honors.
Why Guruji?
Go ahead and open it. Most of it's open.
There we go.
Oh,
Ready. Brand new computer.
that is
So nice.
exciting. So we got
Very
the green
nice.
one if you can't tell. So
Green.
it's dark green on the back and it has this very light colored green on the front. So we got the base model. This is the one with 2 Thunderbolt ports. We also upgraded the storage from 256 to 512 gigabytes. And we also got the Magic Keyboard with the number pad. So that was an extra cost, but it's well worth it because he uses the number pad quite a bit.
Thank you.
Let's get the ugly box out of the way.
Okay. All right. This one is the real box.
This is the real box.
This is the real.
Oh, the box is kind of heavy, but look at that. That is the computer. Oh no, it has a little smudge. Oh, we're gonna wipe that. We're gonna wipe that. Do you like the white and the colors?
Oh yeah, yeah. I love it. I love it.
The colors look nice.
Very nice.
Okay, so on the top we have iMac, and then we have this really nice color-coded strap. On the side, we have... Look at how thin that is. That's pretty thin.
Very thin.
And then we have the back of the box. The other side. Let's do this. There's the tab. So you can pull that tab.
Ooh, nice.
I think... So if we lay the box down this way, and lay it down like that. Why don't you go ahead and open...
I think.
Nope,
Right
that's
there.
perfect.
The other side.
Look, it says... Hello. Oh. It opens and then closes. Opens and then closes. So it's easy to open. It's very easy to open. It says hello. So I'll open it and you take the computer out.
Oh, just only.
Just the computer.
Oh, that's all?
That's all?
That's thin? Only that much?
Is it thin?
Yeah, I thought the computer over there. This is a computer. This is all right. It's,
That's it. That's how big the computer is.
yeah.
Isn't that crazy
Very
thin?
Thin. Look
Wow.
at woo.
Let's open up the accessories first. So let's put the computer away. That is very light.
Screen.
This is so light. Okay, let's open up the box. Let's open up the box.
Larry.
Oh, there's your keyboard. Everything is color matched.
Yeah. Color match.
There's the tab.
Yeah, right here. It's very thin.
It is very thin.
Lightweight.
How about the rest of the stuff? What is that?
This is a
This is a lightning to USB-C cable. So this is for charging your mouse and the keyboard. So this is, because we got the base model, it does not have the Ethernet, it's just the plug, and then it has the color matching cable, and it also has the MagSafe Plug charging. So this is what hooks up to the back of the computer. Designed by Apple in California. And what's this? You want to take this out? So documentation. Apple stickers. They're
One
two
more
different
block.
colors. So they match the two-tone colors on your iMac. So we got the green one, so we have the dark green sticker and the light green stickers. It's pretty cool. Which one do you like better?
light one.
The light one. Dad likes the light one.
Electric, I think, is a plug.
Plugs into the wall.
Going to the this
And it plugs into this
Plug
brick.
in.
I think we have one more thing in there.
one more thing.
One more thing. That's an Apple reference.
Mouse.
What is that?
This is a mouse.
Let's open that.
Yes. Very light mouse. Ooh, this is like that kind. And this side is
Oh, it's color matched. So it's green.
color match green, light
That's
green.
pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Michael.
Ta-da! iMac. This is exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You get a brand new computer after almost 12 years. Okay. Now the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's open up the computer.
Okay. And open it.
Ooh. It says hello.
Hello.
In the back we have plastic. That's a pretty nice screen though. It's so thin.
Thin.
Look at how thin it is.
All the way
Oh
thin.
my god. So I've heard that it was thinner than an Apple Watch. So let's see if that's true. I don't know if you can tell. But that's, yeah, I think it is thinner than an Apple Watch. Just barely. Let's take the back plastic off.
Why? There.
Ooh. ASMR.
Oh, no.
Apple makes it very easy to take off their packaging. So now we have hello. Let's go ahead and open this.
Open it. Okay. Larry. Why? Larry.
What do you think?
Computer. Very, very nice computer.
What do you think?
I love it. Look at that. Very thin. Very thin.
There's one more strap here. Let's open this one too.
On the side?
Yep. Here's the tab.
Oh. Oh, it's a from. Oh. Such a bad.
Yay! Okay, are we ready to turn it on? So we're in the back of the computer. Check this out. This is the green, so that's the MagSafe charger, and it snaps in just like that.
It started itself.
Yeah, it's magnetic.
It's magnet. Oh man, just
Try pulling it out. Is it pretty strong?
yeah. See, it's just only look there. Look there.
Goes right in.
That's it.
There you go. So we have our two thunderbolt ports there. That's a USB-C ports. And then we have the power button, and that's really it. And then the headphone jack on the side.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, simple.
Simple.
Okay, so let's turn it on.
On कर दे? हो गया.
Oh, it's on. It's turning on. It is so thin.
Thin, I know. Light, very light.
It's thinner than the width of my finger. Oh, check that out. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up, but that was the unboxing. Pretty cool computer.
Yeah, very cool.
Awesome.
Very good. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching, everybody.
And then also say, make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
Okay, we are in my dad's office. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Okay, so this was our old iMac, and this was all the way from what, 2009? So this is pretty thick. It's a big Mac. It's slowed down. It has the keyboard and everything. And then we have our brand new Mac sitting right there. So let's take that Mac and let's put it on this desk. It's so light.
Very light.
Let's put it right in front of the old iMac. Look at the difference in how thick this big boy is and how thin this iMac is. You can get a little bit of a size comparison there.
There's a flat. There's a ball back there.
Yeah, so the old iMacs used to have this curved edge on the back. So they're actually thicker than this edge right here, but even this edge is much bigger than this tiny, very thin side of a computer. And the screen size is bigger. So this is a 21.5 inch, this is a 24 inch, and this has a 4.5K retina display. That one is, I don't even think it's 1080p, but it's still a pretty cool computer. It's lasted us this long.
You're gonna see the screen here. This bigger, this smaller.
I like the white bezels. I think the white is a little bit more colorful. It's more friendly.
Yeah,
it fits in with the room.
Very nice.
Might have to do something about this blue wall. Maybe make it green to match your new computer. Are you pretty happy?
Oh, very happy.
Very excited?
Thank you, excited.
Okay, cool. So we'll see you later.